In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever spotted a duplicate charge, an entry posted to the wrong account, or a test transaction that slipped into your books, this walkthrough will help you remove it cleanly and confidently. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a transaction permanently removes it from your books and can change account balances or reconciliations. If you're unsure, make a quick note of the details first and check with your accounting team when needed. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens a menu of key tools and preferences. From that menu, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every place your transactions live, like checking, savings, credit cards, income, and expense accounts. Browse through the list to find the account that holds the transaction you want to remove. You can scroll through, sort the columns, or use the built-in search to narrow it down. Take a moment to ensure you've chosen the correct account. Deleting from the right place prevents ripple effects elsewhere. When you've found it, click View Register on that account. The register opens a running list of all activity tied to that account, including dates, payees, memos, categories, and amounts. This is where you'll pinpoint the exact entry that needs to go. Locate the specific transaction. Double check the details, date, amount, and description, so you're confident it's the one. If you see an R in the reconciliation column, be aware that removing a reconciled transaction can throw off past reconciliations and may require adjustments later. Select the transaction to expand it, then choose Delete. Depending on your view, this may appear as a button or within an action dropdown. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Approve the prompt, and the transaction is removed from the register and your financial reports. Afterward, review the running balance in the register to confirm it reflects the change you expected. If you're cleaning up multiple entries, repeat the same process carefully for each one. If the delete option isn't available, the transaction might be linked to another record, part of a closed period, or restricted by user permissions. In those cases, resolve the link or consult your accountant before proceeding. That's it. By navigating to the chart of accounts, opening the accounts register, selecting the transaction, and confirming delete, you can quickly remove incorrect entries and keep your books accurate.